Ever sent someone a message and they didn't open it for 3 days? Yeah, congratulations. You've already used a message queue. Hey, I'm Bob, your friendly neighborhood stickman who tries not to get tangled in tech terms. Today, I'll explain message queues without making your brain queue up for stress. So picture this. You run a busy sandwich shop. Customers shout orders faster than your sandwich maker can build them. If you try to handle everything instantly, chaos, bread flies, lettuce riots. Instead, you use a simple system, an order basket. Customers drop orders in. Your sandwich maker picks them up one by one when ready. That basket, that's a message queue. A message queue sits between two parts of a system. One part sends tasks, the other part processes them when it can. No rushing, no stress, no exploding sandwiches. It keeps things smooth because everyone works at their own pace. If 1,000 tasks arrive at once, the queue holds them safely instead of letting your system burst into flames. Here are some real-world examples. When you upload photos and the app says, processing in background, queue. When you click Buy Now and your order gets handled even if the system is busy for a moment, queue. Even emails, big ol' message queue factory. So in short, message queues let fast senders and slow workers stay friends. They hold tasks, release them gently, and keep systems from panicking like me during tax season. If you like this tiny tech tale, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what other confusing things you want. Simply Bob to simplify next.